I thought it was gonna be a simple 1, 2, blop, 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 cut the wood. Work your body, work your arms, them. Yes, you can do it. Behold the garden. Right now, this is what's trending right now. We need to be able to do that.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues.
Hey YouTube family, Wagwan. How is everybody doing? First and foremost, how y'all doing? How's your garden going? How is it coming along? How is it growing? What are y'all growing? I need all the details in the comment section, because if you guys realize, I do respond. We having big conversations in the comment section, and I appreciate y'all. I love when we talk in the comment section. You guys give me tips, you give me ideas, I respond back, and we just have a good up time in the comment section. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nardia, and I am in Northwest Ohio, Zone 6B, and this is my garden. Well, not just this. This is my raised bed behind me, but I also have a entire garden with flowers and stuff that I show once a month. But that's not what we're here for. In today's video, we are going to make our second attempt at fixing up the free raised bed that I got on the curb 2 days ago, 3 days ago. You all saw the last video. I went for my little bicycle ride in the morning, getting my exercise in, saw this on the curb about 3 blocks from my house. And between me, my son, and my sister, it took us about an hour to bring it home. We just walked it home because it was not going to fit in my car. Ain't no way. And in the last video, I attempted to fix it, but I didn't have the right wood pieces. And also I didn't have the time. But I got time today, y'all. And I have the right wood pieces. So we, and I say we, because we're in this together. You guys have been commenting, sharing tips about ways that I can fix it, giving me advice as far as what to plant in it. So we're in this together. You might not know it, but we are in this together. Y'all are helping me fix it, and y'all are helping me figure out what to plant in it. Let's not make this intro too long because it's supposed to be about 90 degrees today, and I'm not trying to be out here. No, I want to be inside by the time the 90 degrees hits. I am still in disbelief that I got this on the side of the road for free. And some of y'all are still in disbelief too. I know. I was shocked. I tell y'all, if you have the opportunity, just scope your block, scope your neighborhood. Especially if you know when the bulk, where's something name? I'm not trying to think of. Like when them get rid of big items, because in my neighborhood, I know when the bulk pickup days are. We get, like when you put things on the side of the road and the garbage company come pick it up. There's a specific day. For us, it's every Monday is when they do the bulk pickup. So if you don't walk any other day, you like to stand on your bed or you have something to do, just take a quick little stroll on bulk pickup day. I should do a video showing all the things that I found on the curb on bulk pickup day. But this raised bed is by far the biggest find so far. And look at it. Look at it, you guys. I have my hammer. I have my saw ready to go. And these are wood pieces that I found around the house. So I found this. I think this is enough to cover 2 spots. And I also found this square, I don't know where I got this from. I think something got delivered to my house. I might dismantle it and use pieces from it to cover the gaps. And one of you guys mentioned something that had me thinking. Put your name right here because the way the brain is, it's not braining right now. But you said, what if the gaps that are at the bottom of that bed is to help with drainage? And I was like, when I saw that comment, I was like, think. It does kind of make sense because there are no other holes in the bottom of that raised bed. So I would assume it might be for drainage, but the gaps are way too large, I think, to need that much drainage. and I'm just afraid that the bottom will fall out. But that does make sense though. It does make sense. I'm still going to cover them, but I'm just going to leave smaller spaces in between for the drainage. So I'm still going to leave space for drainage, just not as wide of a gap. That makes sense. And I might also drill holes in the bottom of it for drainage as well. Y'all, me can't talk today. This is one of the gaps, and it is 11 inches, I believe. That's a lot of space for drainage. I think I'm going to fill up maybe like 9 inches of it. Yeah, because if I push down on it, it is moving a little bit, and I would hate to fill this up with soil and stuff and it starts to break or fall apart. And also the same on this side. That is what I mean when I say we're doing this together, because y'all are really giving me ideas, giving me tips, and I appreciate it. First thing we have to work on is cutting the wood down to size. I have old school handheld saw. So I'm going to measure all the pieces that I need, cut them down to size, and then we'll attach them.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go?
This handheld saw, no joke. No joke. I haven't used this in so long, and it's already getting hot, so I'm already sweating. That took me about 5 minutes. And I have like 4 more to do. Oh God, it's hot. I might do this inside or something and then come back out and put it together, because that motion, oh my gosh.
Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of confidence club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew.
You would think that it will be easy for me to take this apart. I don't know why I'm struggling. And I'm struggling to take it apart. Oh! I got one side, okay. And I was here doubting myself. Y'all believed in me, right? Y'all didn't doubt me, because I was doubting myself. But thank y'all for believing in me, because I know y'all believed in me. Okay, now let me try the bottom part. I might be doubting myself on this one. Come on. Come on, this is the workout. One. Let's do another one. Come on, come on. Come on, girl, you can do it. Work your body, work your arms, them. Yes, you can do it. One more, you can do it. Go, my girl, yes. Oh, yeah.
I love how she just stoned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low, unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've it, should've worn it. No, they did, but I kept it.
Finally done, you guys. All the pieces are cut, but they're not in yet. I just put them there as a space marker. And as you can see, all of that is the gap, and there's still space at the side for drainage. So I didn't make it exactly a tight fit. I left space for drainage. And look, you guys, I put on gloves because I was like, wait a minute, Nardia, wait a minute. I was like, wait a minute, we're not trying to lose any fingers. Because I'm there using the saw, and the saw kept moving and jumping. It wasn't a smooth process. So I said, let's just put some gloves on. So you guys probably didn't see it in the previous clips, because it took me a while to, for common sense to kick in. So if you're doing projects like this, be safe. Be safe. We need our fingers. We need to be able to, without fingers, you can't snap. We need to Right now, this is what's trending right now. We need to be able to do that. Okay. In the corners right here, there is some gap, but I'm going to leave those alone once again for drainage. And also on this side, there are small gaps there and there, but I'm going to leave those for drainage. Now let's figure out how to, not how to, I know how to nail things. Nailing is easy. But I'm thinking, should I screw it in? But then I would have to go in my garage and search for screws. Whereas the nails are right there. They were like right in front of me. But it's just so much noise. The bang, 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 bang blows out. I don't feel for hear the noise right now. It's so peaceful in the backyard. It's so calm. Just me and the birds and the squirrels and the rabbits and the chipmunks. We're just so nice and peaceful. And for hear bang, 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 bang. Do you hear that? That's the peace. That's the quiet. It's the birds. It's the chipmunks. Where are my rabbits? Haven't seen them all morning. And my rabbits are usually here with me every morning, but maybe they're still sleeping somewhere. They went to have fun by a friend's house. I don't know. But do you hear the wind? But also, I already have the hammer out here. It'll be easier. Like, why give myself more work, right? Let's just use the hammer.
Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it.
Y'all, the hammering ain't working. All that talking I was about hammering, I'm not doing it. I don't want to do it. So we're gonna go in the house and get the screwdriver and find some screws because it is hot. And why work hard, right? Work smarter, not harder. Let's go in the garage. I am sweating. Let's go in the garage and try to find some screws. Got the drill. I'm going to bring the extra drill battery just in case the battery dies. Let's see what screws we have and what screws we need. This is drywall screw, 3 inches. I don't think I need 3-inch drywall screws. 2.5-inch exterior screws. 2.5-inch sounds kind of long enough. I think these are too long. We have 2-inch exterior screws. I think the 2-inch would be perfect, but I just don't have a lot of the 2 inches. And this is just a bag of extra screws. All right, let's bring the drill, this bag of extra screws, my 2-inch and my 2.5-inch exterior screws, and the drill. I hope I can carry all of this, plus the drill battery, and y'all all in one shot because I don't want to make 2 trips. Y'all, I don't want to make 2 trips. So we got these in this hands. I have an idea. Hold on. Let's be smart. Maybe if I put these boxes. Yes, girl. Yes. There we go. This box in here. These boxes in here. Grab the drill battery, right? Grab y'all, and then grab the actual drill in this hand. How are we gonna open the door? Girl, how are we opening the door? Our hands are full. Oh gosh, open the door. You can do it. Got it. Put ours. How are we closing the door? Come on, door closed. Come on. Door closed. Come on. Woo. If y'all only what y'all are seeing. I know the angle is weird, but we're carrying a lot right now. And I'm taking y'all with me. Let's put everything in my wheelbarrow. This project is turning out to be more work than I thought. I thought it was going to be a simple 1-2, blop, 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 cut the wood, hammer it in. I thought that was it. It's not. This free, where's something name? I can't even think of the name. Potting bench is making me work for the freeness. Work. Let's get to work. Y'all know I love my drill. Me and Drillisha, she named Drillisha. We're best friends. We're locked in.
I used to do it, that I was a member of confidence club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, that shit better get. Man, that baggage is heavy. Baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me you got reason to worry.
Drink water and mind my business. Drink water and mind my business.
I'm done. I finally did it, y'all. It is done. I am sweating, but I'm glad. I am glad I got it done. And I even reinforced the sides. It is secure, it is good, it is stable. Come on, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what I did. Here's what oh, look at that. I forgot to drill one screw. Hold on, I guess I'm not done. Hold on, I lied. Hold on. Okay, now I'm done. All the boards are done, all the way down. It is done. And what I also did was, I also reinforced the sides, so I put a screw in the side also to make sure it's connected properly. Right there. So I reinforced the sides as well, all the way down and on the back side. As you guys can see, the screws that I did put in though are hanging off from the bottom. Wait, see them here? They are hanging off from the bottom. But don't you worry. I have a tool for that. I just don't feel like doing it right now. I have a tool that, I don't know what it's called, I don't know what name, but I have it. It's a blade thing that can cut screws and it just slices off these. So I will do that, but not today because this is enough. And I also made sure to move it and do the same thing to the back side also. I was hesitant about doing that. I didn't want to do that. I was going to cut corners, but I said, I know myself. I just want to do it good and done. Like we said in Jamaica, do it good and done. Once I put the soil in here, I don't want to have to think about anything going wrong. And I just sucked it up and got it done now, so I don't have to think about it. That's all I'm doing for now. I had plans to do more in this video, but this took me out, so I'm not doing anything else. Technically, is this a garden video? It really is, but it's not. You know what? You guys came here for the garden content. Before I go, let me show you the garden so I don't feel that guilty about not showing you the garden, because I just showed you me working on this not potted bench. Why can't I never think of the name of this thing? Oh, where name? Raised bed, my free raised bed. That's what I spent the video on. But I know y'all came here for the garden, so let me show y'all the garden. Let me show y'all the garden. Because I don't want anyone clacking, typing away in the comment section saying, oh, we came here for the garden content and we didn't see the garden. Behold the garden, the tomato bed with tomatoes and marigolds and cherry tomatoes. Next, we got the pepper bed with scotch bonnet pepper, regular pepper, jalapeno pepper, and a giant sunflower. We have the callaloo batdessa, strawberry and onions, my pink green stalk. The squash and the squash vine boards are living their best life. Eggplant, cucumber, tomato, pumpkin, zinnia, Winniam, my girl Winniam, nasturtium, more pumpkin, more tomato the back there, more cucumber, basil, all kind of something. Yeah, see? There we go. So this technically was the garden video because y'all saw the garden. That's it. I'm gonna take. Oh, before I go, you guys are giving me suggestions on what to plant in there. Just a reminder, someone mentioned root crops. I don't think root crops will be the best options because it's only 6 inches deep. But keep the suggestions coming. I thank y'all. I appreciate it. It's just giving me things to consider, and I really, really appreciate it. Y'all are the best. The bestesses. Y'all are like my little garden besties. Not little. My big, kind of big. Me big and a big. My big garden besties. Anyway, with all that said, I'm gonna get in the house. It's about 10:30 right now, so I still have the entire day, but it's gonna be hot today. So I'm gonna go inside, get dinner, season up some chicken because I'm making curry chicken today for dinner. Yeah, some nice spicy curry chicken with some steamed cabbage on the side. Maybe white rice. I don't know yet, but curry chicken for dinner tonight, right? Anyway, thank you all for watching. In the comment section, if you love this, if you was rocking with me, if you was just cheering me on, hit me with that strong arm emoji. You know that one? The one I go like this? Wish I go like that? That one? Hit me with that in the comment section. Just to let me know y'all was with me. Y'all was like drilling with me. Y'all was cheering me on. I do appreciate it. Once again, thank y'all so much. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys in the comment section. Bye.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say, blew everybody away.